Could you tell me what we're
No,
talking
I'm
about?
going to surprise you on this one.
No.
Hello, I am Tara from livingoutadime.com with my mom, Jill. She doesn't know what we're talking about for this video. Hello, I am Tara from livingoutadime.com with my mom, the author of the Dieting on a Dime cookbook. We have sold for 20 years now, bestseller. Marlene has the question, does Jill have a victory garden?
That's why you wouldn't tell me what we're talking about.
And if so, what does she have in it? Do you have a victory garden, Mom?
Depends on what I'm trying to get victory over. Oh my goodness.
No.
Now I had a cantaloupe growing in my compost pile at one point.
My
Does
mother
that count?
has a very black thumb. I'm sorry.
You're who I get it from.
That's
Yes.
where you get it from, Ellie, is Nan's black thumb.
So here's the thing. I know everybody's doing a victory garden right now, but you do not have to have a garden to save money. And that's kind of where I was going to go with this a little bit. People are under the misconception that you have to grow this great big huge garden and can everything in your garden to save money. Now,
Can or dehydrated or something.
oh, you know, it was about this time last year we did something similar and we just went crazy. Was it? I forgot about that. The great canning video of 2019. So here's the thing. Once again, if you enjoy gardening, if you love gardening, if you're good at gardening, by all means, you go right ahead and garden all you want. If you are good at canning, you enjoy canning, and you just really get a thrill out of it as a hobby, go right ahead. We have nothing against that.
I have
At
canned.
all.
I canned for years because I got free fruits and vegetables, so
We
canned.
have nothing against that. But if you're thinking you're doing it just to save money and you don't enjoy doing those things, just go buy the canned goods at the store. That's what we do.
Or if you're doing it because you want to be prepared for an emergency and be able to. Now, what I do suggest is I think everybody needs to know basic gardening, bit, how to do it. Watch a few videos, maybe even try a little tiny pot container garden.
Check out my video.
Yeah, Tara has some good videos. I think you need to know how to grow a garden, and I do know how to grow a garden. I actually have had some gardens in times past. And I think the people need the skills of these things. You need the skills, whether it's gardening, dehydrating, canning, whatever it is, you need to know those skills. But to do it to save a whole lot of money or on a regular basis, and you don't like doing it and it's hard for you, you don't really need to do that, you know.
And I'll be perfectly frank, I think anybody who's canning in the middle of August is plumb out of their mind. Unless you live in Canada where it's 60 degrees in August.
And see, Tara's not into canning. I think anybody who does a garden is totally out of their mind, and she gardens all the time. So it's just whatever you...
Here's the thing. Whatever floats your boat, it's fine. But don't think you have to do it.
Don't think you have. Don't think you're going to be a better person or a better mom or a homemaker if you do.
I have canning jars. I have a basic knowledge of canning. If I need to can, I will.
And
I prefer to freeze or dehydrate myself. But just do whatever you want. It really, truly does not matter.
And try several different things. Like I canned for years and years. Well, now I do dehydrating. I found that it's less work for me to do the dehydrating. It stores better for me because it's shriveled up, you know, because I don't have room to store a whole lot of cans and stuff. And so now at this time in my life, dehydrating is working better. So you try the different things, and then what you enjoy doing the most and works best for you, that's what you need to do. And so
that's where we stand on Victory Gardens.
But you laugh at me. I love composting. I have the greatest composting pile. Well, it's gone now because I had to get rid of it. But up until now, I love composting. Isn't that weird? I really do. And I'm a good composter.
You are a good composter. Composting is not rocket science.
Oh, low blow. hi, Holly.
All right, guys, check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. And let me just warn you right ahead, if you're leaving any negative comments, we will just delete them
Yes.
like we did last year. And if I need to, I will turn off the comments. But this is our opinion. And if you don't agree with it, you're totally fine. Just don't let me know about it.
And check out Tara's gardening videos because they're really, really good. So.
Yes. LivingOnADime.com. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.